Leaf blowers are helpful tools for yard cleanup. Whether you have a gas blower or an electric one, here's how to keep it in good condition. Work in a space with plenty of room and good ventilation. Make sure the blower is off and all moving parts have stopped. If you've used the blower recently, the motor could be hot, so be careful. Remove the spark plug wire on gas blowers. Unplug or remove the battery on electric models. Now it's time to work on your blower. Brush off air vents, cooling fins, and flywheel blades. Next, check for damage and loose or missing parts. Tightening or replacing as needed. Clean or replace the air filter. Your manual will have cleaning instructions. Move on to the spark plug. Remove it and clean it if it's dirty. Replace it if you see any signs of damage. On 4-cycle gas engines, change the oil regularly. Check your owner's manual to find out how often this needs to be done. Replace the fuel filter if the blower has one. Clean the outside of the carburetor and fan blades. Inspect the fuel line, fuel filter, cables, and connections. Do these things once at the beginning of the season and then monthly during regular use. Electric leaf blowers don't require as much maintenance as gas, but they still need some upkeep. After use, wipe your blower off with a clean cloth. Next, check for loose, missing, or damaged parts. Tighten or replace parts as needed. Make sure the air intake is free from any dirt or debris that may block airflow. If you have a cordless model, you'll need to care for the battery. This could mean things like removing it from the charger once it's at full capacity or storing it at a certain charge level. Check your owner's manual for specifics. With the right care, leaf blowers can last for years. Use these guidelines to set up a maintenance routine to keep your blower working the way it should. For more general maintenance information, check out our article on how to maintain a leaf blower. You can also find more maintenance help, reminders, and easily shop compatible parts in the Milo's Home section of your account dashboard.